everybody. This is Lakshmi Prabha and you are watching Rajpedia. Today let us discuss about the concept of management and the POSDCORB functions of management. First, let us discuss the definition of management. Mary Parker Follett has given a definition of management. Management is the art of getting things done through people. So, what is management? Getting things done by other people. That is called as management. And here there are certain concepts of management. First is, management is goal oriented. Yes, it tries to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, and then it is a group activity. Yes, it is a teamwork. Management is a teamwork. Okay, where all the people in the organization work together. And management is a universal process. It is followed all over the world. The same process is followed. And then it is a continuous process. Management is a continuous process. See, if you see the functions of management, every functions of the management are interlinked. So it is a continuous process. Next one is, it is a dynamic function because it changes, it adapts itself according to the changes of the environment and the technological changes. See, earlier man was doing all the work in the industries, and later on, after the invention of the machines, using the machines, man are doing the work. And now, after the invention of artificial intelligence, AI, maybe in future robots will operate those machines. So it is adaptable. Management is adaptable to the technological changes. Then management is a combination of art, science and profession. Management is an art because it has managerial skills. Skills are required. And management is a science where it follows certain managerial principles. Management is a profession because it maintains certain standards, professional standards. And so that's all about the definition and concept of management. Now let us see what are all the POSDCORB, that is functions of management. The functions of management, in short, it could be called as POSDCORB functions. In POSDCORB, P for planning, O for organizing, S for staffing, D for directing, and C for CO for coordinating, and R for reporting, and B for budgeting. In planning, say for example, you think that you assume that you are going to start a business. What will you do? You should have some plans, what business should be done and how it should be implemented, and who are all you are going to include in the business as a partner or as the staff. Okay, all those things, what business you are going to do, all those things you need to decide and plan earlier before starting the business, right? You should have some plan, and that's it, planning. And then the second one is organizing. Organizing is what? You should arrange certain resources. If you are going to start a business, you need to choose a place for the to run the business. You need to have a own place or a rental or place to run the office or to run the factory, right? And then you need to buy or purchase certain infrastructures, facilities like fan, light, table, chair, computers, machineries if required. What else is related, that is related to the business, to carry on the business, right? And then staffing. See, without people you can't do the business, right? But if it is a very simple business, at least you need to stay there. So, or otherwise, you need to hire people. In the name of interview, you need to conduct an interview and select people who will help you in your business, right? That is called as staffing. Okay, and train them, and then you should provide salary and other PF or whatever it is to maintain them. And then directing. Directing is nothing but guiding, motivating, and supervising. Guiding them what to do, how to do, right? And then motivating them to make more performance, right? High performance, and then supervising them whether they are working together to achieve the organization goal or not. You should supervise, you should monitor them, and this is all about directing. And next one is coordinating. Coordinating is, see, in the organization there will be so many departments. If it is, consider you are starting a factory, there will be so many departments like finance department, HR department, marketing department, sales department, purchase department, and so on. So all these departments should coordinate themselves for the organizational goals, to achieve the organizational goals. So that is called as coordination. And next one is reporting. In reporting, we need to prepare reports: monthly report, weekly report, quarterly report, annual reports. Okay, what are the happened, whether we have nearing the targets, like that we need to check. Then maintaining records, whatever is done we need to record them in the record notebooks or in the computers. Then communicating results, we need to conduct meeting among the factory people and need to often communicate. A monthly meeting should be conducted, like that. Then conducting meetings, then evaluating performance based on the reports. Based on the outcomes, based on the performance of the employees, we need to evaluate their performance based on the reports we have developed. Based on the achievement status, we can evaluate the performance of the employees, right? Okay. And at last, it is budgeting. In budgeting, the finance department will prepare a financial plans, annual financial budget, okay, and it will allocate funds to each and every departments in the factory, okay, and then they will monitor the actual spending every month. What are the actual spending they are doing? They need to record it and monitor it, whether it is going beyond the budget or not. They need to check, and then taking corrective actions. If it goes beyond the budget, then they need to take certain actions to control. And then forecast future financial needs. Okay, next coming years we need to forecast what are all the in future, what are all the budget is required to run the factories, whether we need to purchase new machineries, or whether a cost is required to train the people in the HR department, or train the employees, or whether we need to invest in purchasing the raw materials, or purchasing any new machineries, or repairing the machineries. All those things should be included in the forecasting future financial needs. And so we have discussed about the POSDCORB functions and the concept and definition of management. And that's all for the class today. And let us meet you in the next video soon. Until then, if you like learning with Prabha, then please do consider subscribing my channel and support me. And once again, thanks for the subscribers, and kindly share my video to your friends and comment what are the topics you would like to learn in next classes. Thank you.